Nope. Layla. Here's a baby. Still trying to get his stuff like always. Okay. See if we can try to get Cody a little bit better. Maybe if he's on dark stuff? Is that better? See all of his rosettes? That's the proper term for cowlicks. Isn't he gorgeous? Okay. Isn't he just beautiful? Layla loves him. That's Etta James in the background. That's when I knew I loved you and I can't do without you and I'd rather be a fine girl, baby, 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 baby. Hi, Cody. See? Oh, she's so pretty. Be nice. See, we can see him a lot better now. There's another guinea pig running around somewhere, but we already got really good shots of Chance or Champ or whoever he is. Isn't Cody beautiful? Okay. But look. Okay. But look, he has little tufts of brown. Look, he has a red little paw, foot. And look at his little mouth. His little tufts of brown. And like even down to his nose, he has this little V. See that? I don't know if you're seeing that very well. Please don't walk away from me, baby. Please don't walk away from me, baby. Please don't walk away from me, baby. Please don't walk away from me. Anyways, but he's kind of cool because he's black, but he has like all sorts of random pieces of like red and stuff. And he's calm, but I mean he's got energy and stuff. He's not like, he's not skittish, but he's not like... Oh. I wouldn't leave you for nothing in this world, no, no. I don't want you to go. You know I would never do nothing in my life. Oh, don't feed the guinea pig. Oh. Bye-bye, piggy. Yep. See where you went. See his little nose. Bye, Cody. Poor Cody. Here, calm down. He's a nice vocal fellow. Wee, 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 wee.
see his brother? Way over there? Oh. Uh-oh. Layla! Quick! Run! Run! Be free! Run away from the Layla! Yep. And now they'll be together. And Ladybug is still going to try to go after him. But I've blocked off all the entrances so that she can't crawl in underneath the coffee table, because she tries to do that. And now it's 6 minutes, and I'm sure nobody's going to want to watch a 6-minute video. So, good night.